Hello and welcome. In today's class, we will learn about the sequencing words. What are they and how do we use them? Are you ready? Let's go. So the sequencing words are words that we use to tell the reader or the listener about the order of the events. And we can use them mostly to tell stories. For example, the story of the prince and the princess. Firstly, he met the princess, then he loved her. At the end, they got married. Or to give instructions. For example, how to tie a tie. Firstly, cross the wide end over the narrow end, then loop the wide end and do the narrow end. Lastly, loop the wide back over again. Okay, so let's see how many types do we have of sequencing words. In fact, we have 3 types. Number 1, the starting words. These words for the first event. For example, firstly, initially, at the onset, to start with, before all else. Number 2, middle words, what comes next. These words to tell us what comes next. For example, after, then, next, following, later. Number 3, the finishing words. These words for the end. For example, finally, at or in the end, lastly, at last, ultimately, and so on and so forth. But remember well, the sequencing words, they always come at the beginning of the paragraph. And they are always followed by a comma. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.